What's up guys, welcome back to AW9. Today we're going to be doing lots of raids, because I'm broke. Look at my fragments in the bottom left. But I'm using Blizzard. But I do only have 3 abilities, so it's going to be quite hard. And I might die a few times because I'm only level 755 on this account. But we're going to do it anyway. Alright, so we're back now. We're in the raid. We just magically appeared here, definitely. Totally didn't just pause the video and come here. And by the way, the code is red, blue, green, blue. If you don't know what the code to get in the raid room is. And we're gonna, and I can't do it obviously I can't host one because I'm not level 1100 on this account. So, that's why we're joined by some other people. I didn't mean to talk to mysterious scientist. We've got some people to help us, which is good because otherwise we wouldn't be doing this video. Without them, this video wouldn't be possible. So, huge thanks to them. See you in the raid. So the map's just loading. We're not going to show the whole raid because that's boring, but we're going to show the boss kill at the end. This is basically Frozen Village. And by the way, we are using Blizzard, which is actually really good for the raids because we can just use Tornado Flight and fly around. I don't think they can hit us while we're using this in the raids because they don't have like an attack ability like that. But as I said, we're not going to show like all the raids because like it's boring. Just wanted to show you guys like the other this island. It's the second island, pretty cool. Just in case you wanted to like know the islands. And this is the third island. By the way, it's an ice raid. Which is, I believe, the second easiest. I don't know. But yeah, this is the third island. Ice raid, yeah. I thought you could tell because obviously, like the ice, you know. I didn't realize water did damage in this one. Obviously, I knew that water did damage, but like this water. And by the way, this is the fourth island of ice raids. Pretty cool, actually. Wait, can you go in the igloos? Because if you can, then this is the official. No, you can't. By the way, this is the fifth island with the boss on it. It's actually a really cool island. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? The boss is here. He looks like the Yeti. I swear. No, he doesn't. He doesn't. He just did from like a distance. I bet I'm gonna get like absolutely destroyed in the comments now. I bet people are gonna say just because it's land ice raid doesn't mean the boss is the Yeti. He's the Frozen Village boss. I didn't ask. From a distance it did, and I'm sure no one will back me up there, but it did, okay. The boss is all the way down here. Where is he? Oh, he's there. I see the boss thing above him. Oh, no, I'm about to die. Snowflake Shuriken. White out. I missed. Tornado Flight. Bro. I'm about to die. Can't die. But I can't like say it. Breaching Factor in 30 seconds. Of course, it's when I'm doing a raid. Like, he's on like half health. I don't know. I'm doing a bit of damage to him, I guess. Okay, 2,000 damage. Well, technically, I can one-shot anything because like this is like an infinite damage thing. But where is everyone else? Did they die? Oh no, they're not. They're just over here. But thank you to Totally Not Dan and Rip Claw Matty. We couldn't have done this video without them. Really, thanks. I have no idea what's happening. There's just so much ice. Really. Oh, the time is about to end. We're joining in first C, I think. Hopefully it's first C. Again, I'm totally not Dan's in it. He's becoming a true part of the channel, boy. And at the start, he was just a subscriber. Now he's a true part of the channel. This is what you get when you're a subscriber. You can be in videos whenever you want, bro. This is why you should subscribe if you want to be in a video. It takes ages to join though, so I'm gonna pause for a bit. Oh yeah, by the way, this is a glitch. Look, I'm at Cursed Ship, yeah? But look at my level. Look, I can't be in Cursed Ship. I'm not actually in the place. Can't be in Cursed Ship. I'm not level 1000. But it's the power of Portal Fruit. This person with Portal, Derek, yeah, he teleported me to Cursed Ship. And I set my home point though. W. But just realised we're not in first seat. Look, hopefully we're joining first C now. Just as block shoots, not block shoot second C, but I think I did that the first time. If we don't join first C, then I'm gonna simply quit. I think, yeah, we're in first C now, good. So I'm at Pirate Starter, because that's where you join. I'm gonna go to Middletown, but now I don't have light anymore. It takes ages to get there. But actually, it's still quite quick. It's like really close. It's like probably less than 100 meters away. But with light flight, it would be like literally 2 seconds to get there. And apparently there's like an aura editor somewhere here. I have no idea where he is though. Alright, Daniel's at, totally not Dan's at jungle, he just said, I think. Jungle is this way. But it is also really close, so I'm not gonna just pause the video for that. Oh, I'm drowning. Bro, what? If we don't... Oh, nah. Right, I think we're gonna spawn at jungle because it says Jungle there. Yes, we spawned at jungle. Let's go. Right, I'm here. Thanks for watching and goodbye. We'll do more videos in a few days. Goodbye.